We know COVID-19 is disproportionately affecting Black and brown communities. Experts say the same is true with systemic racism and inequities in education.
Our TV6's Stephanie Wade speaks with someone working to change that for Hoosier students and families across the state.
This is a chrysalis moment, the moment we've been waiting for.
The moment when Dr. Yolanda Watson-Spiva with Complete College America says we can no longer ignore inequities and disparities among college and high school students, but instead are forced to address them.
What I'm hearing from presidents is that they're realizing they had a lot of blind spots. Like they had no idea, even though we've heard things about like a Black student sleeping in the common area in their dorm and somebody telling them they don't belong there.
CCA pushes for change in higher education that allows more students to complete college. They work with lawmakers and universities to institute policy changes.
You know, we've always looked to them for guidance around policy, around practice.
IUPUI, Purdue University, the Indiana Commission for Higher Education are some of the partners, to name a few.
Thinking about what are the barriers that we have structurally embedded in our systems that are impeding students from completing college.
COVID-19 revealing many of those.
If you do not have a laptop or some sort of technology to load into, people are having to really do all of their homework and research on a phone.
The lack of technological capabilities, Wi-Fi inequity being one.
Most institutions, I don't want to say they were reticent to do online learning. Much of it was, one, resources, right? It takes a lot of money to either equip students with laptops or Wi-Fi or technology, but also to train and skill up. We have a lot of faculty members and administrators.
And recognizing things will look much different come fall, factoring in social distancing, health and safety procedures.
I was on a call with the CDC about how institutions will be able to reopen. And I'll tell you, to be honest with you, at the end of that long call, I was like, I don't know if institutions are going to be able to do this.
Not to mention how current events have prompted people to speak out.
Some institutions are doing surveys to their students. Some are also talking to alumni.
Dr. Watson-Spiva saying the interconnectedness created through the virus has made us see our interconnectedness in humanity.
Students are finding their voices. Faculty of color are also speaking up in ways that they haven't in the past. So it's going to be an interesting confluence between COVID-19 and this sort of just new conversation.
Stephanie Wade, RTV6.